Oop. Okay guys, since I'm here leaving Ghost Lake, I might as well do the 3-hour challenge as nominated by Governor 947. The 3-hour challenge consists of the 3 reasons why you bought this motorcycle. I was going to do it on the Cruiser first, but what the heck, I'm on this one. So the 3 reasons was I was looking for a motorcycle that was a little faster than my Cruiser, and this one's an 850 triple crossplane, and it kind of suits the bill. It's fairly quick. It's got 3 modes, right? It's got standard, aggressive, and rain mode, ABS, traction control. So that was the main reason, the first reason why I wanted this bike. Second reason was price. You can't beat the price. It was like 11 grand all in, and I couldn't complain with that. So that's the second reason. The third reason was I have a bad back, so a sport bike was out of the question. So a sport tourer was more in the question. And this one has a fairly nice upright sitting position, and it doesn't hurt my back as much. But the seat had to go, so I got a Sargent seat. And that's it. Those are the 3 main reasons why I chose this motorcycle.